Hi everyone, I am Mohit and you're watching ATM All Things Mohit. Today I have with me the Apple Watch Series 7. I have both sizes, the 44mm and the 41mm. As you can see from the packaging, this is Project Red. This is the first time I am seeing this kind of packaging from Apple, that your product is not wrapped in a plastic film. Actually, it's pretty smart. With the custom options that Apple offers, that you can match the band and the dial, they need to package both the things together. And to do that, they have kind of created this new packaging wherein they can put a box of the dial and then one of the band in the same box, and they don't have to go through the extensive packaging or extensive combinations wherein they need to pre-package everything. So I'll be unboxing both of these beautiful watches today. As I told you, I have 44 and 41mm. This one is Project Red, the 44mm, and the silver dial, it is the 41mm. Both have the red band. That's the color options that I picked. Let's get to unboxing this. This is more traditional. If you see, these are the stickers. Like many other products, you have easy peel off stickers that open the packaging, and then you have to kind of shake it off or figure out how you want to take it out of the box. I'll peel off this sticker as well and see, maybe this one is easier to kind of take the watch out. And here we are, beautifully wrapped watch. This is new. The previous Apple Watch that I've had, the packaging was not so nicely done. Okay, my struggles seem to be over, and I have this watch out as well. And as you can see, as I told you before, as you can see, these both are beautifully wrapped. As I just dropped it, it's better to have it wrapped so that accidentally if somebody drops it, it doesn't hurt. This one, dimensionally, the 44 and the 41mm is same as the Series 6, but they have reduced the bezels, so the screen size is a bit larger. Also, this is dust resistant, water resistant, and Apple says this is the toughest glass ever, so it should be a lot more crack resistant. Maybe I just need to slide it out. Yep, and this one is out. Let me keep it here. I accidentally pressed the button, so it is turning on as well. As you can see, the Apple logo on top of it. Few things to know about the Apple Watch Series 7. It has a built-in ECG monitor, also a blood oxygen monitor. So a lot of health focused features, which has been the game with Apple over the past few years. The watch also have a fall detection mechanism, wherein if you fall, it automatically calls your emergency contact. So a lot of good things. Both of these are the GPS version. There's also cellular version out there if you want to go and try that. The Series 3 I had was a cellular version. I didn't really find a use for it. I always carry my phone around with me. But if you want to just go around with your Apple Watch on your wrist, maybe you like running without your phone with you, you can subscribe to Apple Music and you would have access to all of that. And with the bigger screen, I think it's going to be easier to reply to messages and things of that sort. I'm also going to open the band and see how beautiful that is. Again, the same easy peel off sticker on one side. My struggles with this packaging continues. And a few instructions on how to apply it. It has two sizes of the bands in here. Earlier, Apple used to have just one size in the band, and you needed to pick while buying the watch what size would fit you. But this is nice, having both the larger and the smaller size, so based on a person's wrist you can use whatever band you need to. And the other packaging is going to be pretty much exactly the same because it is exactly the same band. There is some instructions here from Apple as well. Last time I paired my Apple Watch, it was pretty simple. There are some graphics on the screen. You just scan it from your phone and the watch is pairing up with your phone. So if I click on this icon, it asks me what language. I would select English, United States, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and start pairing. So it should be pretty straightforward. This looks beautiful. I love the color red, and that's why I went for it. As I mentioned, so this beautiful graphic on the face, I just need to scan it with my Apple Watch app on my iPhone and it would start pairing with it. This has a larger battery life than the Apple Watch 6. Just like the screen size, everything is better. I am excited to pair this with my phone and start using it. Hope you liked this video and found it informative. If you have any questions about the Apple Watch 7, do let me know in your comments. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. Once again, I am Mohit and you are watching ATM All Things Mohit.